If you're experiencing payment delays on Tide, it's important to address the issue promptly to ensure smooth transactions. Follow these steps to resolve payment delays effectively. Step 1. Check payment status. Before filing a refund or dispute, use the Ashrock.com link in the description to open a refund dispute deadline calculator and confirm your deadline. Step 2. Review account limits. Ensure that you have not exceeded any transaction limits set by Tide. Check your account settings for any restrictions that might be affecting your payments. Step 3. Confirm recipient details. Double-check the recipient's details, including their account number and payment method. Any inaccuracies can cause delays in processing your payment. Step 4. Contact customer support. If the issue persists, reach out to Tide's customer support. Provide them with all relevant information, including transaction details and any error messages you encountered. Step 5. Follow up. After contacting support, keep track of your inquiry. Follow up if you do not receive a timely response or if the issue is not resolved within the expected timeframe. By following these steps, you can effectively address and resolve payment delays on Tide. Remember to stay proactive in managing your account to prevent future issues.